Hey there, welcome back to the Festival Kitchen. I'm Jenny, this is Casey, and we're two of Festival's mealtime mentors. Today we're bringing the world to your table with a one skillet meal packed with Greek flavors.
That's right, Jenny. Today we're making Greek meatballs with lemon dill rice and avocado tzatziki.
So many great flavors in this. I absolutely love this dish.
Me too.
So we've already gotten started because we don't have all day to spend with you,
No, sorry.
even though we wish we did. So the base of this dish is meatballs and rice.
Yes.
We're simply using Mom's meatballs. They can be found in our meat department, and arborio rice with some chicken stock. Combined it all in this skillet.
Yes.
And baked it.
And the arborio rice is a really cool addition, I think, because it's the rice that's used to make risotto. So it's a little bit different texture, a little thicker, and it's really good in this dish.
Super good. So it's already been baked and looks amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Dun, da, da.
That looks really good. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our avocado tzatziki. So to start, we're going to cut our avocado around the perimeter the long way.
And tzatziki is normally just based with Greek yogurt. But
Yes.
we're adding avocado, and it makes it extra creamy. Little bit of fun flavor that you don't normally see in a tzatziki.
Right.
But it's a really fun twist on that traditional
Yes.
Greek condiment.
Yes, I love it in this.
Yes, we're both obsessed with avocado. So
Yes. Anytime you can have an avocado, add an avocado, we're in.
yeah.
So we have our avocado, and now what we've done is taken a mini cucumber and grated it, and then pushed it through a fine mesh sieve to get most of the water out, to get that really great cucumber flavor.
Yes, and if you can't find mini cucumbers, you can use half of an English cucumber as well.
All right, and now I'm going to add our non-fat plain Greek yogurt, which is the classic base for this dish, or this sauce, I should say. We're going to add some roughly chopped mint, garlic, and white wine vinegar. And I'm just going to mash all of that together.
All right, and while Casey is working on that, I'm going to go ahead and get the veggies into the skillet. So again, love this because it's literally just one skillet.
Yes.
Less dishes, makes everyone happy, right?
Love it.
All right, so we've got some zucchini. Just going to sprinkle it on top of our meatballs and rice. And there are so many veggies in this. It's delicious.
Yes.
Okay, spread that out so it cooks evenly. And then I'm going to add in some grape tomatoes.
I love that pop of color too.
Yeah. Such a fun dish. And now I'm just simply going to cover it, and it will go back into the oven at 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the veggies steam, and until they're tender crisp. We don't want to overcook it.
Right.
All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. Let's take a look. This looks awesome. The veggies look like they've steamed through. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this over carefully. Okay.
Oh, yum.
It looks so pretty.
It does. Oh my gosh.
All right, so now we just need to put the finishing touches on this. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the dill.
Oh, that might be my favorite ingredient in this dish.
A lot of really great flavors.
Yes.
Dill is delicious and not used enough. So
No, agreed.
good way to use it.
Yes.
And then I have half a lemon here. I'm just going to zest it and juice it. So like a double lemon punch.
Yes. So many fresh flavors in this one.
Those zest smell so good. All right, now I'll get the juice out.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh, yum.
And I'm going to give this a good stir.
Okay.
Kind of combine everything.
Yes. I love that this is just a complete meal in one dish.
Yeah. And it's really simple, too, especially since we're using the Mom's meatballs and we're not making meatballs from scratch.
Right. Yeah, that makes it way simpler.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and dish some up for us.
So for our garnish today, we have some crumbled feta cheese, which is delicious and perfect for a Greek meal.
I'm a big fan of feta cheese because it's kind of like tart.
Yes.
Almost.
Yes.
Very good.
A nice tang to it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yum.
And then, of course, we have our avocado tzatziki. I might have lied before because I forgot about the tzatziki. This might be my favorite ingredient.
There are just so many really, really good parts to this.
Yes.
And it does make a lot of tzatziki, so when we tested this, we were just eating tzatziki with
By the
crackers.
spoon.
Yeah.
And that, yeah, you know. But yeah, veggies, crackers, whatever you can use
That's
with that
good.
leftover.
All right.
The mint and the lemon and the dill are so fresh.
Good.
I love those flavors together.
Yeah, this might be one of like my favorite go-to meals because it's simple and makes a ton of food.
Yes.
Which is absolutely delicious.
Perfect.
Well, we hope you give this delicious Greek dinner a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.